Hey everybody, got off work early today and I was looking on the maps earlier today and saw that the Tennessee River's right here. I'm here in Athens, Alabama, so I figured I'd come over here and do some flying. Got some nice bridges here. Okay, we're flying up the Radio Master Boxer, Skyliner NK3, 5-inch, and the Cinelog Cinewhoop. Also rocking the GoPro Hero 12. Got the Fat Shark Dominator HDs. Probably gonna turn off the video here in a second so I can listen to some music. I think I'll do the 5-inch first. I like the 5-inch because it can handle the weight of the GoPro better. There's my memory card. You know, this is the thing I like the most about traveling for work, is the fact that I get to see all these amazing places, and you'd be surprised what nice things there are to see in even some of the most remote places. Athens, Alabama is kind of in the middle of nowhere. I saw a lot of cotton fields, grain of some sort. I think I see a lot of silos along here. But look at the architecture on these bridges. I mean, if you can't appreciate that, it's awesome. I don't know that I'll fly out there. I might get the DJI out and fly over there. I feel a little more comfortable. I haven't had any video failures with that, so let's get everything booted up.
Welcome to HTX. Throttle warning.
All right, let's do some flying. Flying.
Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh.
So this time of year, with the sun setting so early and the days being so short, I don't really get much flying in on the road like I like. But we just happen to get off at a decent time today, and I'm close to the Tennessee River. We're working over in Athens, Alabama. So I figured I'd come down here and do some flying.
Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. You're channeling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're channeling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, 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 oh,
Alright guys, well, didn't have much light, but I made the best of it. You'll be seeing the footage. You know, unfortunately that's just part of the shorter days of winter, but this is Fisheye FPV, and I'm here to change your perspective.